Greetings and welcome to the elementary Hebrew class. This is Dr. Marshall. I'll be your instructor during this semester and, Lord willing, next semester. And we're going to learn biblical Hebrew. This is not going to be conversational Hebrew. It's not the kind of Hebrew that you can be dropped into Jerusalem with and be able to get around. You might not even be able to use the bathroom with this kind of Hebrew, but you will be able to maybe do some Bible reading and talk a little bit about what Scripture says. Anyhow, although it's not a conversational Hebrew class, it's not a modern Hebrew class, you'll learn the basics of the structure of the Hebrew language. But we won't necessarily be speaking biblical Hebrew. Our goal is to actually learn how to read the ancient form of Hebrew so that you can read the Bible, the Old Testament in Hebrew, and be able to access commentaries and things like that, which presuppose some knowledge of the Hebrew text. So this is going to be a great journey. I'm looking forward to leading you through these 15 weeks of elementary Hebrew 1. There's going to be a lot of exercises, and you'll need some help here and there, and I want you to know that I am here to help you. My goal is to make you successful in learning how to read the text of the Bible. So, just wanted to remind you that there is a syllabus for this class. Be sure to download that and read over it. I'll be providing personally the lectures for this material. And so, if there's questions that you have, I'm the one to ask because I'll know what I meant by what I said. Perhaps I misspeak and you'll want to have some clarification. Sometimes throughout the semester, I'd like to have opportunities to meet with you either by phone or online, or maybe even as a big group connecting online. So we'll figure out a way to do that, and I'll try to give you a heads up and see if there's a time when we could get together and maybe discuss problems, answers to questions, and whatnot. But this is going to be a great time. We're going to be able to basically accomplish the same sorts of things that I do with my face-to-face Hebrew class. The only difference is you won't be right in front of me when I'm lecturing. But pretty much all the exercises and the lectures are the same material, and I have the same expectations of you that I'm going to have of my face-to-face Hebrew classes. So thank you for joining us on this journey. My contact information is in the syllabus, and also once you get into the Blackboard course, you'll be able to very easily follow the logic of the modules and do the modules in order each week along with the schedule, and you will be able to learn biblical Hebrew. I tell my students, if you will just do what I say, and you may not understand why I say what I say, but if you will just do what I say, do the assignments, do what I've told you to do, exactly the way I've told you to do it, you will learn this language. And it'll be a great blessing to you as you see things in the text of Scripture that nobody else in the world gets to see because they're not reading it in the original languages. But you will be able to do that. And I look forward to helping you along in that journey. So, thanks for joining us, and let's get started.